Sunday morning, and it's 7 in the morning. We're headed to the gym. Alright, those of y'all that don't know, here in Texas, it's freezing cold, and we don't get those nice colds with the snow, nice white snow. It just gets freaking cold. Let me show you how cold. It gets so cold. Everything, and I mean everything just freezes. It doesn't matter where it is. Look at that. My whole ice box froze. Any water that I had outside froze. So we just don't have that snow, nice maybe snow. No, we just get ice. Just finished my 30-minute workout. Now I'm on my way home to get some fajitas. And that's how it works. Let's see if I can. Voila! Yeah, so okay, our project for today is going to be, hopefully you can see me there. I think so. We have these reins here. They're made out of horsehair. Or were. You can see where my dad tied a knot because they broke. So, and it's been a while, we're gonna make them at a lechuguilla rope. Now, they're not perfect or pretty or anything like that. They're functional. And we have this rope that's pretty long, wasn't that expensive, and we make a lot of stuff out of it. Here's another one. As you can see, this one broke here. The little chain part already came off, so that's what we're going to be doing, just making those. And the first thing is going to be, see these chains, since we haven't used them in a long time. The reason for the chain is the swivel here. We're going to be getting rid of the rust. We had a pretty cool way to do that, so we're trying it out too, so we'll see how it goes. And let's get to work. Alright, let's see if you can see that. I got my handy knife here, which is a little rusted up, which we'll figure out how to make it happen here. Perfect. Okay, this is we're gonna try this out and see how it works. Lemons, cut right through it. Here we go. We have one of the chains. We're supposed to mix the baking soda and the lemon, but we're going to try this first. Oh, okay. Don't overdo it, I guess. Maybe we should use some gloves. But whatever. See how that works right there. Yeah. Let me know if y'all have any other suggestions or tips on how to remove rust. There are sprays and chemicals you could do this with, but you know, we're just trying new things out. I think the lemon by itself is working a lot better. You know? Okay. That project failed. We'll get to work on the rest of this on a better, newer chain. By the way, those of y'all don't know how Electroguia works, this is how flexible it is when it's hot, and when it's cold, it's just solid hard. So it just depends what time of the year, what time of the day, and when you're using it, but you get used to using it. Back to the project. You always want to get extra, not the right exact amount, because you can always cut it off. But when you get little bitty ends and you're trying to weave them into something, it's not going to work. So let's get a lot of this rope and take it apart. This was probably handmade rope, and I hope the person who made it isn't looking at the video like, what the heck is he doing? Okay, so we're fixing to finish a project. My battery died a while ago, so. Luckily for me, my little electrical pouch is in my truck. I don't like to leave it at work, so here, needle nose that my friend Donnie had let me borrow. So it's gonna make this a lot easier. There it is. Made of reins.
Saludos con la raza en la sierra, acá en Sinaloa. Me aconseja mi viejo sin esperanza, que como de mi balanza, que lo que haga no está bien.
Like I said, this is probably not the best pre-workout or anything like that, but I don't drink sodas and I don't drink a whole lot of other stuff, so you know, just something like this every once in a while, it's not gonna do me the worst thing in the world. But yeah, it'll do right before this workout. Okay, we're at the gym. It's upper body day. And like always, we're gonna warm up with some push-ups. All right, we're gonna do 4 sets of curls. We're gonna start with the 25 on each side and build up the weight, and then down with the reps. So. And we're also going to interchange it with some chest workout so we can kind of balance out. All right, 4 sets of these, starting with the 35s, 1 set of 35, and 3 sets of 40s. again, I'm gonna do 4 of these rowing exercises, alternating 4 sets of the rowing exercises, alternating with sets of dips. Work at opposite muscles. Alright, so just finished with my workout. And let me tell you, that cut, or this cut that I'm in, is kicking my butt. I'm losing a lot of strength, so I'm gonna have to work out a lot harder to try to maintain it while I'm going through the cut. For those of you that don't know, when you're going through a cut, if you just want to cut fat, you know, off your body, it's not that hard. The hard part is maintaining that muscle you had gained. You know, if you're working out months and months, you gained a little muscle, because muscle takes a long time to grow. So that little bit of muscle, you know, that took you months to grow, in a cut, in a month's cut or a week's cut or whatever type of cut you're doing, you're going to lose a lot of that muscle, you know, just so fast. So the hard part for me right now is trying to maintain all that muscle, or you know, that I had built up over so many months, and I've lost a lot of it. You know, I'm struggling to maintain some of the strength, which that's one of the ways you gauge not how much you can lift, but the strength you had before. So, you know, I'm struggling to maintain that strength. You know, weights that I was lifting with no problem before, you know, I'm struggling to lift them now. You know, it seems a lot harder because of the cut, but it's just part of the process. Once the cut's over, I'm going to try to stay lean and build up that muscle. So it builds up real slow. So, but I want to be able to build it up while maintaining, you know, a low percentage of fat. So yeah, that's that. Let's head home.